Hi guys, welcome back to Colossals Mathematics class. Don't forget to like this video and share. Yeah, this is a question from a fan, and then he or she asks me to help solve this question. So this is a question on integration. So the first thing you have to understand, this is a question on integration. And what type of integration is this? This is integration by parts. So it is integration by parts. And when we talk about integration by parts, it has a general formula, which is integration by parts is always in the form what? It is always in the form u dv, which will now give us what? uv minus what? Integral v du. I get what I'm saying now. So that means this is your u, this is your what? Your v. So your u is equals to what? X. Your v, your dv rather, your dv is equals to what? Exponential x. So you need to find du and you need to find v. So your du, you differentiate u with respect to x. So differentiating u with respect to x, that would leave us with what? Du dx equals to what? 1. Are you seeing that now? So du dx is equals to what? Is equals to 1. And then v, to get your v, you integrate. So if you integrate the v, you will have v. And if you integrate exponential x, you will also have what? Exponential x. Do you get it up to that level now? Okay. So make du this way of formula here. If you cross multiply, you would have du equals to what? Dx. Okay. So that means I can use this formula now. So using that formula, I would have integral what? Don't forget the limit. We have 2, 1, integral x exponential x dx will now be equal to what? uv. What's your u? Your u is what? X exponential x. I get in the x, then v. So this is x. Your v is what? Exponential x on the limit 2, 1 minus integral 2, 1 of what? V du. What's your du? Your du is what? 1. Your v is what? Your v is what's it called? Your v is exponential x. So this is exponential what? Exponential x. Exponential x. What's your du? Your du is equal to what? Dx. Can you see that now? So this is the idea of integration by parts. You are gonna be doing it in such a way that you would have a single value that is integrable. I get what I'm saying now. And we've been able to do that. So now we have what? X exponential x on what? On 2, 1 minus. I can integrate this. So if I integrate this now, I would have what? Exponential x on what? On 2, 1. Are you seeing that now? So now, anywhere, since they have the same value, I get what I'm saying now. They have the same value, so I can say this is x exponential x minus exponential x bracket close on what? Sorry, on 2 and 1, right? So that would now give, I can factorize. I can factor x out, exponential x out, and I would have what? X minus 1. Okay? So you know how this is done. Anywhere I see x now, I want to put the limit now. So anywhere I see x, I'll put 2 first. So that means I would have exponential 2 into bracket x minus 1. X is 2 already. So your x is 2 already. So this is 2 minus 1. Then minus exponential 1 now. Are you seeing that now? Put it in bracket exponential 1. Then what? X minus, x is 1 now rather. So x is 1. So that's 1, 1 minus 1. Okay? So that would give us exponential 2 into 1, right? Minus exponential 1 into 0. Okay? So let's just go down a little bit. So that will not lead us to what? Exponential 2 multiplied by 1 will give us exponential 2 minus exponential 1 times 0, 0. That means the answer is what? Exponential 2. And if you punch your calculator for exponential 2, you would have the answer. So therefore, when you differentiate integral x exponential x onto 1 dx, the answer is what? Exponential 2. That's the final answer. So I hope this helped you. For your second question, it is not clear enough, okay? The second question is not clear enough. So if you can rewrite the question, you can send it under this comment, okay? I'll be happy to help you solve that again. And also, if you have any other question for any other viewers, you can always ask your question in the comment section. So thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.